Welcome back everyone, and today we have Bluebell outside and we are going to be doing the very first oil change Bluebell has ever had since I bought her. And the guy when I bought it said that it probably needs an oil change because it's been sitting a while in his front yard. So yeah, let's get to it. And a couple days ago we did the very first oil change on Vegas since we had it, and the oil was black, very dirty, so I'm guessing that it's gonna be the same with that.
Here it is.
Where? Where is it?
Right here. This is actually a better spot than mine.
All the other ones weren't big enough, so we got some other big ones. There we go. There we go.
I don't know.
There we go. She's gonna... There we go. That's pretty black. Because I remember the guy said that it's been sitting in a while, and so it probably needs an oil change. Well, he said it is gonna need one. So.
Really dirty.
That's thick. It's a little thick.
Oh my God. Let's pull the.
I did.
Pin.
I did.
You took the pin out.
The pin. Ooh, dang.
Measure.
Huh? It is done leaking. Okay.
Okay, now
Let's get the oil filter off.
Okay, we're gonna need to move it because we're gonna probably lose a little bit of oil here. Can you?
Does not want to come off. There we go. It's starting to come off.
Yep.
Starting to come off. There we go. It's tight. That thing must be on there for a while.
Yeah.
It's probably like the first oil change in like a couple years or something.
Golly. Maybe so, huh?
Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, the one thing I forgot to take out was the dipstick, but let's see you got it.
Yep.
There's the old one, and that is the new one.
Different brand. This is a Wix.
Wix.
And this one here
There we
is
go.
a Fram.
There we go.
Some oil on it.
Yeah. Okay, it is now time to put the oil in. Here goes the funnel. Here's the oil. Yep, we are full. Back on with this thing.
Yes, we need to get that going because we don't want this guy to walk.
That's not a very good seal, but it's on. Now let's start her up and probably go for a drive. No white smoke.